look good. Good morning from the floor. I don't love makeup, but I think it's so fun to be able to put some on because it means my day is just going a little bit smoother than normal. Today we're talking about my core rebuild and how I'm rebuilding my core and basically trying to make it so that I have somewhat core strength. So my core rebuild started with an expert opinion. As soon as I was 6 weeks postpartum, my doctor cleared me to do pelvic floor physio. Her link is in the description box to her website. This video is specifically for entertainment value. I don't want to tell you that what I'm doing is going to work for you because I have an expert telling me what's going to be best for me based on an assessment she did in her office. That being said, let's get started. My exercises are really basic right now. I'm literally doing things to strengthen my core from the inside out. Each exercise, I do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. I feel like that Kermit the Frog meme. So I do 3 sets of these exercises and I try to do 10 reps each because a strong core supports your entire body. Having a strong core supports your organ placement, it helps with circulation, lymph flow, prevents serious damage, prevents chronic back issues and other joint problems. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I upload new videos as I get new ideas. As usual, I am on Strava and Instagram and those links are down below if you want to see more. There's also some other helpful links down there like the one from Celeste. If you have concerns, ideas, or comments, please leave them down below and I will get back to you. As usual guys, cheers from Aislinn. It's cold, guys. Northern Ontario, cold. I'm not even that northern. I actually moved south into this town, but it is minus 21 degrees Celsius out there right now. Special weather statement. I don't know what the weather statement is. That must just mean it's colder than normal. I don't know. It's -3 in Thunder Bay, and it's -23 in Sudbury. Weird. It was freezing.